Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So as you already know what is the title of this video, and can you believe that this is the set of 4 coasters and the quality is amazing. I have attached the picture here. So I bought some things from TikTok and you can see how before I was thinking that this might be not right until this all arrived, and you can see this literally it was 8 pence and the size of the mold is amazing. It's not a very small size, but I was really happy. So now I thought I'm going to try something with this. So I put a thin layer of resin into the mold already. So it is normal clear resin, and now I am filling it with the fantasy paper, the cellophane paper. There are so many names for this. So you can do whatever color you like. So this is a lotus flower and it is such a beautiful mold. So here I just crush the paper in the hands, and then after that I'm just ripping it and I am placing it. So I'm going to fill this whole flower with the cellophane paper. So this is done now and I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So just I want to show you the angles, how the different angle make difference with the cellophane paper. This is the same cellophane paper that looks different from the top and from the side. It's really different and the end result will be something very different. So it was looking so amazing. So I really wanted to capture this moment here. So this is the next day. It has been cured now, and now I'm going to pour. I'm not going with the black this time. So this time I'm going to change the color and I am going with the mica powder, and it is in the shade purple here. So I will be mixing my resin now. For a change, I wanted to see that what purple color gives the effect. Make sure that you mix the mica really well. And it's almost mixed now, and I am using a low viscosity resin here. And now I will be pouring this onto the lotus flower. So some areas I did left the cellophane paper, and I really wanted the purple to go underneath to create an effect. So that will be something that you will be seeing. Just making sure that it goes to all the corners. And after that, I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day and I'm going to remove this lotus flower and we will see how this turns out. And let's see. So here we go, and wow, I'm really amazed by this. I haven't ever used purple background with the cellophane paper, and you can see now as I was telling you that the color will be totally different. So I'm so amazed by this fantasy paper or the cellophane paper that whenever you add different backgrounds, you get very different effects. And all in all, you can see this is such a lovely and very large sort of lotus flower mold. Now you can do a lot of things with this. You can put this onto a picture frame, you can hang it, you can use it as a coaster, and then there are different techniques you can try with that. I might do something different next time. So that's it for today, and I hope you like the video. So anyone that is a bit afraid of purchasing from TikTok, as me myself was, because sometimes I see the prices that were so low and I never thought that it is something very true. But I'm really amazed by this, and I am showing you the result that I bought this mold for only 8 pence. What more can you expect? So that's it for today. Like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.